Hello guys, a lot of you have asked me to do Bishopbriggs, so I receive a lot of messages and everything. So let's do a test route. I'm just outside on the main door. I'm not gonna go in. I'm trying to avoid to stay out of the way of the learners. So let's get it done and dusted. First route. So doing my observation. Indicating, and we're going to turn left at the end. Nobody coming from the right. So Bishopbriggs test route.
Go right on the roundabout.
Checking interior right door mirror.
Exit.
First roundabout just outside the test center. Quite a blind junction. You need to be very careful when you go around this. Checking interior left door mirror, left indicator. Coming out, national speed limit sign just on the right, so need to pay attention to that. Progressing according to the road condition. It's not that visible, so I'm not going to progress too much. Going to keep a reasonable speed according to the bend because I can't totally see what's coming towards me, so going to take extra care. So further down, I'm going to turn right at the roundabout, taking the third exit. So going to check interior right door mirror, right indicator. Early vision, early decision, nobody coming from the right. Committing. First exit just pass. Interior left door mirror, left indicator coming out of the roundabout with the mirror check, new road, new mirror. Updating. Now progressing. This is 60-mile road. Progressing according to the road condition. Keeping a check on interior right door mirror. I'm not going to mention gears as I'm in an automatic car, but occasional I will let you know if you need to drop down gears somewhere if you're driving a manual car. So just now there's a bend on the road, so easing off the gas. It's not a very sharp bend, but it's a sharp bend, so according to the road conditions. Now I can see further. Quick glance interior right door mirror, progressing again. Keeping a check on interior right door mirror. It's a long stretch of road, another mile to go. So guys, if you can, please do subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot. Now 30 speed countdown coming up. 3 just passed. Keeping my speed just now. Keeping a check on interior mirror. There's one van and another car behind it. So 2 just passed. 1. Now I'm going to check mirror again and gradually decrease the speed. So 30. I'll be doing 30 when I'm passing the 30. According to the road condition, you should be doing according to the road condition speed. Speed limit is now 30, so we're going to keep it 28, 29. Keeping a check on interior right door mirror. Traffic light green, so keep going. This is Glasgow Road. So coming out of the test center, I turn right at the roundabout, then the next roundabout, I turn right again. And we end up on Glasgow Road, which is national speed limit. And then we are here on Glasgow Road. Now it's a 30-mile road. Further down at the roundabout, we're going to go ahead. And it's the first exit, I think. Yes, it is. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Roundabout approaching, so interior mirror, gentle brake, reducing speed. If you're in manual car, drop down to second, keep the clutch down. Early vision, early decision, nobody coming, indicating to come out of the roundabout, indicator off, keeping my lane now. There is hatch marking on the right. If needed, you can go in it. If needed, if there is a hazard blocking your path, you can go over it. Keeping a check on interior right door mirror. So I was saying, came out of the test center. I forgot to switch on one of the recording cameras, so I'll be looking away when entering, starting the video. Anyway, doesn't make much difference as long as you see the road and everything. I'm happy with that. So further down at the traffic light, we're turning right. Early vision, interior right door mirror, right lane. This is a filter lane to turn right. Gentle on the brake with a mirror check. Stopping where I can see the first traffic light. So this is still Glasgow Road and we are turning right onto Leadgate. So that car is far. I can walk across, I can drive across. You can see there is one-way street sign. So this is basically a one-way street. End of this road we are going to turn right. So I'm going to check interior mirror, right door mirror, right indicator, and then I'm going to position on the right side of this road. This is Leadgate. Nobody coming from the left, but right is totally blocked. No vision, so going to creep forward, take 8 from the bus stop. No car coming, going to commit. So guys, common fault, people get impatient and try to go, so make sure you're waiting and checking properly before committing. At the traffic light we are going to turn left. Interior left door mirror check, positioning left. There's a road before my turn, so checking interior left door mirror, positioning next to this car. There's a faded yellow box, checking mirrors again, making my turn with a curb. Completed the turn, keeping my middle position, keeping a check on interior right door mirror and left door mirror. Don't worry, it wasn't your phone, it was my phone. Somebody's messaging me. Keeping a check on mirrors, keeping position in the middle of the road. Reasonable speed according to the road condition. '28, '29 is appropriate. You can see it's a downhill, so on downhill you might increase the speed. If you're in automatic car, you might go above the speed limit, which is a common fault. So when you're going downhill, make sure you're covering the brake. Next roundabout we're going right, so I'm going to keep the right lane to turn right. At the roundabout we're going right. This is the roundabout. Interior right door mirror, right indicator. Nobody coming from the right towards us, so committing, sticking with the curb. Interior mirror, left door mirror, left indicator. Coming out of the roundabout and updating my mirrors again. New road, new mirror. Keeping left as the right lane is turning right. Traffic light red, mirror check, stop. It's quite difficult sometimes to take out time to do these videos. It takes a lot of time and preparation. So do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. It will be a great help. And if you've got any question, you can ask me down below. I'm checking interior right door mirror, left door mirror, moving off as the light turned green. Sticking with the left curb. Road is bending to the left, right lane going right, left lane going ahead, traffic light green. Continuing with a reasonable speed, not too much, not too less. Next traffic light is still green. Mentally prepared to stop if needed. Now I'm not going to stop even if it turns amber because I was too close to the light. Further down at the next traffic light, we are going ahead, so mirror check, light is turning. There's a yellow box just in front of us. If there is a queue of traffic, you make sure you stay behind the yellow box like the car in the right lane. Not going too fast. Now checking interior right door mirror before progressing, just in case if somebody is overtaking me. Keeping in the middle of the lane. Keeping a check on my interior mirror. Keeping speed to about 28, and you can see the speed. The speed showing in this video might not be accurate because it's not the speed from the car. So checking interior mirror, gentle on the brake as it's a sharp bend, so dropping down a few miles. Now we're going to take the next road on the right. This is Kirkintilloch Road. Checking interior right door mirror, right indicator. Looking deep down, nobody coming from ahead. Now I can see there's a van coming, so I'm just going to pause here. Further, nobody coming, committing. New road, new mirror, 20 is plenty, 20 marker on the ground. Checking interior left door mirror, positioning on my side of the road. Cars parked in oncoming path, it's a uphill as well, so going to go with care. Quick glancing mirrors. Keeping speed reasonable according to the road condition. Another 20 marker on the road. End of this road, we are going to turn left. Keeping a check on mirrors. There's a car parked in my path, so I'm going to go with proper mirror check. Interior right door, positioning in oncoming path. Interior left door with a left indicator. Keeping the left lane now to turn left, and it's a blind junction, so I'm going to pause, then slowly edge forward. It's all clear to go. The car on the right was far enough. Checking interior right door mirror and left door mirror. Smooth progressing. 21 light flash sign, but the lights are not flashing, so speed limit is 30. 30 is the limit, not the target. So according to the road condition, the road says slow due to the bend. Checking mirror, dropping down a few miles, keeping in the middle of my lane, and keeping a check on the mirrors. Progressing. Driving according to the road condition with mirror checks. Increasing speed as I can see clear ahead. There is a zigzag, but I can see clear ahead. So 27, 28. And I can see clear in front of me now. There's one car parked on the right. For the oncoming time they approach, they slow down. Checking mirrors, updating myself again. Keeping in the middle of the lane. Keeping a check on the mirrors, staying in the middle of the lane. So there's another bend. Keeping the speed 28. Now there is a van hanging out on the right, so nobody's coming from ahead just now, so I'm going to keep my speed. End of this road, we are going to turn right, and this is Boghead Road. Interior right door mirror, right indicator, gentle on the brake before the giveaway sign. There are two signs for national speed limit, the white background with diagonal black line. Cars are coming from both sides, from left side. There's nobody coming from the right. By blind, so I'm going to go with Duke here. Quite a busy road, quite a busy junction. No matter how long it takes, if it's not safe, don't try to jump in front of other people. It's all clear from right and left. Interior mirror check, right mirror check, nobody overtaking, progressing. The last sign was national speed limit, which is 60, but you can see from the screen I'm only doing 20 odd due to the bend on the road. Keeping a check on mirrors, bend on towards the left, gentle progress. 60 is the limit, but that is the limit, not our target. Progressing gradually. There's another bend, staying off the gas, negotiating with the bend with speed. Checking mirrors, interior right door, progressing now. Time to progress. Keeping a check on interior left door mirror as well on the way. Speed according to road condition. Now further down, I can see there is a 40 marker coming up, so checking interior mirror, speed is reasonable. There's a roundabout coming, we're going left, first exit, interior left door mirror, left indicator. This roundabout was made last year. Keeping a check on the mirrors, nobody coming from the right, nobody already in the roundabout. Cross Hill Road, this road's name is Cross Hill Road. Progressing. There's another bend, so not going to progress too much as I would need to use the brake anyway, but progress enough according to the road condition. Now reducing speed as it's a sharp bend. It's roughly about 90-degree bend. So another bend coming up, and I can see there's a 40 marker repeated. Speed according to the road condition is a sharp bend. Checking mirrors. Checking mirrors, progressing is 28 here. So viewers, the test center is on our left, and that's the complete route. Did a bit speed, roads were clear, didn't do any maneuver, and I don't do stops, so you can just watch the roads and everything. Keeping a check on the mirror, again that same roundabout, going ahead, first exit, indicator left, coming out of the roundabout. That was the end of the test. The test center just passed behind us, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next route. Thank you. Bye bye.